Right, Chester? Yeah. Hey, bud. Well, friends, we got Nick's over here, and I've been wanting to get my 394 off Marshy. I pulled out, it's funny, I pulled out my 2100. I was talking to AJS there from the UK, and Marshy was muttering about something about the 2100. So it's funny, you know, friends, I think about these saws, all the ones that haven't been run for a while. And, you got to run them. You got to run them. So that's what the plan is. And I ended up pulling out that 2100 when I was building my Christmas tree there, my power saw tree. So the 21's out, and but it's just funny how that works. You know, people start talking about stuff, and it's like it's already on my mind. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing. But anyways, me and Nick here are gonna do. Oh, he's got his buckaroon with him. Nice. Do you guys remember the buckaroon? Nick bought the buckaroon. Look at this, friends. That's a great axe, Nick. This is a really nice axe.
Splits like crazy.
Gosh darn it, how's it been working?
Awesome.
Wow.
I don't even touch the fiskers anymore.
No. Did you hear that, friends? He says he's got a fisker, so you don't even, hey Nick, you don't even bother with it.
I like that more.
Yeah.
Way better swing out of it.
You do, don't you?
And it blows right through it.
And it's wood.
Yeah.
Like the wood.
It doesn't feel like a toy.
No. No, it's nice, friends. This is a cool axe. That was my first buckaroon I ever made. This one turned out really nice, actually. Oh yeah, you have been using it.
A little bit.
You can see that,
Slipped
yeah.
up once.
That's good. Okay, so we're gonna do a little poop scoop here and get this mill set up. Hey, friends. Oh yeah. It'll go.
I'll take everything with it.
Okay, yeah, well that's okay. So hold on right there, Nick. Just wait right there.
Go.
It's called a roll, friends. See how that works? That's not even, like, it's hardly doing any pressure on it. Look at it.
Not even bothering.
No, it's not even bothering anything. It's because we rolled it. We put a roll on it, friends. This is going to be very nice wood. Okay, stop there, Nick. We'd be almost smarter to mill it right here. Pull a little more. Yeah, pull her up a little more. Okay, right there. Drop her. Little more. Sorry, Nick. Actually, leave it there, because we'll roll it out this way and we'll be good. And we'll mill right off the end here. That's what I think. Okay, so how's everybody doing anyways? I think it's Tuesday, friends. And Nick had some time off. You guys remember Nick, great guy, Nick Hanna. He's on the channel. He's just a good young guy. He comes out here and he wants to learn to run the saw a bit better and get on the filing and that stuff. So he comes out and kind of helps me out, play around. Today we're milling and that, and I gave him a big bucket of, he couldn't believe it. It was a 404 chain. I don't run 404 chain, but I bought about 5 power saws and 2 buckets of 404 chain off a dryland sort guy, a good buddy of mine. Hey Mike, if you're ever watching this. Anyway, so I don't run 404. I mean, if I ran 404, I would have never bought another chain in my life. I'm not joking you. There was a couple hundred chains. I'm not exaggerating. They were in those 5-gallon buckets. Like, it was crazy. Because they worked on the dry land, it was concrete, and he'd rock out and just throw his chain in a bucket and take it to the saw shop, and the saw shop would file it up for him, you see? So he just had a ton of them. Anyways, I gave him to Nick. I just said, take him, get him out of here. Like, I'm minimizing, right, friends? Like I am. I'm getting rid of stuff. I don't, stuff is I'm not kidding, friends. I am minimizing. Me and my wife are minimalizers. We're getting rid of stuff. We're at that stage of our lives, and that's why this YouTube channel couldn't be at a better time for me. I'm starting to have more time. We're developing a wonderful community of people here, and I'm sharing my life and meeting some incredible people. Some people from UK. You guys from the UK are awesome. I love talking to you guys. Thanks for using the coffee and the biscuit button, friends from the UK. A couple of you did. I noticed you saw a sawbuck in there and a couple more sawbucks. If you're wondering what a sawbuck is, it's a $10 bill. We've called a sawbuck that for as long as I can remember. All loggers call it that. And not only loggers, it's a sawbuck. It's a $10 bill, and I saw some of those in there. And I'll tell you something, friends. If that's doable for you guys from time to time, if we had the certain amount of people, the core people doing that, I think it would make such a huge difference. I know it would on this channel. It would make a massive difference. So that's wonderful. So anyways, enough of that. But I do have to say that because, well, I don't have to. I choose to, because the appreciation for me on that is massive. Anyway, today we're milling. And I'm going to clean this up. You guys know what procrastination is? I've been procrastinating this. It's just that you're out making a living. This isn't hurting anything out here. It's just sitting here, except my wife's eyes. She doesn't like looking at her eyes looking at it. It's not very pretty to look at. So I'm getting it cleaned up today, and we're burning and we're milling all at the same time. And the wood's gorgeous. You guys need me here? Yeah, hang on. Let's go. Josh, just put your end up, eh?
Yeah. Watch the fingers.
Up in there. You know what we should do?
You can't lay it
Lay it across sideways? Well, let's lay it across the deck sideways.
Okay.
Right across. So yeah, go ahead, Josh, and then yeah, throw your hand up. Yeah, just don't trip this. There you go.
Perfect.
That's it. Simple.
Maybe a little more your way. It's kind of trying to hold on to it.
It's actually not. It's just, it looks like
it's
it is.
just here.
It's right on the fulcrum. Good.
Where are we going?
So you guys can just go and kick it off, eh?
Yeah.
You don't need me up there, eh?
No, it's fine.
I'll keep burning.
Yeah, the big shot there by the little bit. The door open.
So this is Josh. Say hi to my friends, Josh.
Hi there.
Josh, you remember Josh we were working on the brakes on the old one ton, the 69 one ton. Josh was helping me out. They still live across the way here. They've been awesome. So Josh is just buying this, not buying, he's taking this piece of wood and he's building a table. I think he's gonna give it to his wife, so it's a secret. But it's a chunk of arbutus. And it's an end cut for me, and it's quite nice. He's gonna make something nice out of it. Good, Nick. He's gonna like it. So anyways, we're clearing stuff out. Thanks, Josh.
Thank you.
You bet. So, yeah, we're just getting things cleaned up, friends. We'll get you on the saw when we get going here. Over and out, friends. Let's cut a board, friends. So this is going to be incredible, actually, friends. Let's go over to that cedar, Nick. Drop on there. Let's go over top of the mill. Okay, I'm going to put my end up, Nick, and then I'll get you to flip it over. Okay. So we'll take a look at it. And then just, yep. Whoa!
Nice.
Talk about a smooth cut. Look at all the checking in it.
That's gonna look sweet.
This is sweet, buddy. Isn't that nice?
I like it.
Good. Looks good. Okay, just lay her down like that. Good, friends, first cut. We're just cleaning up this log here. Geez, that axe looks nice and sharp, Nick. What is that? Where'd you get that kind of an axe as that?
I don't know. I think it came
What?
from Home Depot.
Whoa! Is that a...
That's a buckaroon.
That's a... You got the buckaroon?
Oh yeah.
go first, Nick. That'll be easier. Go to the end. Yeah, good man.
Last one.
Yeah. Right here. Oh, this is a nice piece of wood, Nick. Flip her over. Oh my.
Look at that.
Oh dear. Oh yeah, she's got a little rot in the center. We're in the core now. Oh, there's spalting in it. Look at the spalting. That's what we want. Actually, pretty not a bad cut, Nick.
Oh, it turned out good.
Not as nice as the ripping chain though, is it? Actually, it's pretty.
Not
That's a
bad.
hand file, eh? Hand file like regular chain.
Yeah.
It's not bad. It's good, friends. Sure cut quicker though, didn't it?
Well, mine's stock.
That's what I'm talking about. This is my favorite right here.
That's nice.
That's what I'm talking about right there. And look at it. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's not good for the lower back. This is actually some really, really nice. Oh my dear goodness me. Look at the bird's eye. Oh, and the spalt. Oh. You know, this is the thing, friends. A power saw. You know what? Blaze, he knows what I'm talking about. And everybody else at Alaskan Mills, or Mills even, just, it's such a Christmas day every time you peel a board off. Isn't it, Nick?
Always a surprise.
It's a Christmas day every time. I mean, look at the little goodies that are showing themselves up. I mean, look at that. That's here to stay. That's a big salt. That was a good cut, that one. Look at that. Good and solid. There's another one here. It'll probably bust off. Yeah, it will. It'll break off, but that is unreal. 4 dandies, Nick.
That's some nice looking slabs.
Yeah, that's sweet, friends. So here we go. We got 2 more big ones here to go. We'll probably have to break out the 394 for it, just because of width. The mills, we're running that still right now because the wood's small. It's nice. We'll probably run it on this oak here too. Anyway, back at her. That's probably our best cut.
I think so.
Let's take a look at this one, friends. That 394 is a hog, boy.
660 out of the water.
Oh, look at that. Wow, that's a thick cut too. Look at that. That's 4-inch.
That's bar top.
Hey?
That'd be a sweet bar top.
Oh, that'd be deadly. That's a 4-inch cut. Beautiful, friends. 5 minutes. That was a 5-minute cut, not even.
I think that was our fastest one yet.
It was. That we were cutting right on the money on that one. Look at that.
That's nice color.
Look at that. Wow. Sapwood. Very nice, friends. Thanks for hanging around with us today and watching this. We just used a dump truck or something, and you know, Jimmy, others videos of me doing all that crap on there, but anyways, I enjoy it. I enjoy watching the product come off. That was a nice cut, Nick.
That one really nice.
I mean, look at the cut. Look at the board.
That was definitely our best cut of the day.
I think it was. It was the cleanest, smooth,
Quickest.
and we didn't even use wedges.
No, it just
Yeah,
crawled
just
right
ripped right through it. It's nice. Okay, friends. Thank Nick. Nick was a big help today. We're gonna load this fire up. Nick, say goodbye.
See you later.
Okay, Nick's going now. He's got to go and see his darling. So I'm gonna load this fire up and load my tools up and go home, which is about 10 steps away from here. Over and out, friends. Talk to you soon. Be kind. Always nice to finish her up with a little vodka, friends. This is a really cool axe. I remember the day I got this axe. I believe I paid good bucks for this axe, actually, because I couldn't believe I found it there. It was at the Sunday market, and I just couldn't believe I found it there. Yeah, it was quite a surprise. How's it going, Tim? I miss you already, buddy. How's a good trip? Man, that Sweden trip was a blast. I seen and learned so much. The history of Sweden. The axe history. Wow. Amazing. What an amazing axe. Look at, friends. You know what that tells you, don't you? See that? That tells you that she's heavy in the head, but still beautiful finish. Look at, ooh, oh, look at that. That is a well-balanced axe. Look at that, friends. That's, oh, look at the head, how it almost lays out. That's really cool. This is a nice axe. I've had a great night making axes. Great day, actually. I've been making axes for hours and hours today. It's Friday. This is messy. I'm not going to deal with this right now. Now, did I put... No, I didn't, but I better. I don't know how much vodka Bloodwood's going to suck up, but we're going to give it some anyway. I don't think it'll suck much up, to be honest with you, but the hickory will. You know what I mean, friends? Here we go. There's the finished product right there. Gosh, it's a good axe. I'm gonna take a few pictures for my Instagram friends. I'm learning how to work Instagram. I'm learning how to go. My daughter showed me, you hit the heart and you can see, you know, comments and stuff, you know, that people leave, and you can answer them and talk to people. I talked to the Fanner Man, and you know, the Fanner Man, he does that tree climbing gig. The Fanner Man. Yeah, how's it going, Fanner Man? I like him. He's a character, and I like characters. Myself, I'm pretty mild-mannered. That's a beautiful big axe. Here's a couple more I made today. These are sweethearts. You guys saw that one. You saw that German specialty. And that monster.
I want Gadget dead.
Over and out, friends. Be kind to one another.